Hello everyone and welcome to MORALiQ. Today I'm going to share a Panchatantra story called The Four Friends. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived three close friends, a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. They were always there to help each other and shared everything. One day, as they were sitting by the lake, a deer walked up to them. "Who are you?" asked the turtle. "I've never seen you around here before." "I'm new to this jungle," the deer replied. "In the jungle I came from, I had no friends. I tried to befriend others, but no one wanted to be my friend. So I left and came here, hoping to find someone." The turtle, crow, and mouse looked at each other and smiled. "Well," said the turtle, "we've always been three, but now we can make it four." And so the deer became their new friend. The next day, all four friends set off in different directions to search for food. By evening, they would always meet at the same spot and share their meals. This continued happily for a few days, but then, one evening, the deer did not return. The turtle, crow, and mouse grew worried. "The sun is almost setting." "Where is the deer?" asked the turtle. The crow, eager to help, said, "I can fly and see more from the sky. I'll go search for him." The crow flew off in search of the deer. After some time, the crow heard a voice and looked down. He saw the deer trapped in a hunter's net. "Oh no!" the crow exclaimed. He quickly flew down to the deer. "Don't worry, I'll get you out," he said. The crow flew back to the turtle and the mouse and told them about the deer's trouble. "We need to save him before the hunter returns," said the mouse. "I can use my sharp teeth to cut the net." The crow, mouse, and turtle rushed to the spot. The mouse quickly gnawed through the net, and the deer was freed. However, just as they were celebrating, the hunter returned. He saw the deer had escaped and chased after them. The crow flew away, the mouse scurried into a hole, and the deer ran into the bushes. But the turtle, unable to move quickly, was caught by the hunter and placed in a sack. Later the deer, mouse, and crow met, feeling sad about their friend. "We can't let the turtle stay trapped," said the crow. "I have a plan to save him." The crow explained the plan. "The hunter is alone, and we are three. If we work together, we can trick him." When they reached the river, the deer pretended to be dead, lying motionless on the ground. The crow pretended to fly away while the mouse hid in the bushes. The hunter, greedy for the dead deer, came closer. As soon as he moved away from the sack, the mouse quickly ran to it and gnawed through the ropes, setting the turtle free. The deer jumped up and ran, and the hunter couldn't understand what was happening. The turtle, now free, rushed into the bushes with his friends. The hunter came back, only to find the sack empty. He was frustrated while the four friends reunited, happily celebrating their clever escape. This story teaches us an important lesson. Unity is strength. When we work together, we can overcome any challenge. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And to be the first to see our videos, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications.